Shanita, Shruti, Vishnulekha, Anushka and Deepa are going to talk about herbal coil to prevent mosquito bites. Over to Deepa about mosquitoes.
I am Deepa Lakshmi from grade 10. Today I am going to talk about mosquitoes. Mosquitoes, members of the group, almost 3,600 species of mosquitoes are available in family. Mosquito can be vector. Vector is an animal or insect. They spread germs to animal and insect. Over to Shanita for mosquito-borne disease.
My name is Shanita and I am going to talk about mosquito-borne diseases. Mosquito-borne diseases mostly spread through virus and malaria. And employees should protect the workers from infected mosquitoes and workers should protect themselves. It is sometimes called short-term illness and sometimes severely it might cause long-term illness which may cause death. Over to Vishnulekha.
Hi, I am going to explain about the disadvantages of using chemical coil. Using chemical coil can be very effective in controlling mosquitoes, but at the same time it can cause health implications to inhabitants' health. And the carcinogenic element which contains in the smoke released when burning coil can be very toxic as it can cause acute and chronic diseases. And the fine dust which collects on the floor while burning coil is very toxic as it can be inhaled by inhabitants when entering the room. Burning one coil is the same amount as burning 75 to 137 cigarettes. Over to Shinu.
My name is Shruti. Today we will talk how to stop using chemical coil and start using herbal coil. The products that we need to use to make herbal coil are neem leaves, cow dung, clove, garlic peel. First we should take some neem leaves and dry it in the sun and take garlic peel and clove and grind them into a smooth paste and add it with the cow dung and roll it or the shape you want. Over to Anushka.
Hello everyone, I am Anusha of grade 10 and I am going to tell about benefits of natural mosquito coil. They are the better replacement for synthetic based chemical coils and they do not cause any adverse health effects. In the rural parts of the country, people use cow dung as a repellent of these kinds of insects, and in the urban part they use synthetic chemical coil. They cause diseases like lung cancer. Thank you.